So guys, this recipe I'm about to show you was a complete fail, and I'm not exactly sure where I went wrong. I was hoping you guys could help me out a little bit here. So I'm making chicken and waffles, and I thought it would be a cool idea to do like chicken in waffles. So the first thing I got to do is make my fried chicken. I have my seasoned flour. I'm getting that all mixed up, and off to the side I've got my chicken. It's soaking in buttermilk. So we're going to get this going first, and I'm pretty sure this is not where I messed up because I make a pretty decent fried chicken. So we take that chicken, I'm using thighs today, that's absolutely perfect for fried chicken, especially when we're going on those waffles. I'm not using any bone-in meat today, so I like to get it pressed into that flour, get a nice thick coating on there, shake off any excess. Set that down on my tray. I'm going to let those relax for a few minutes and kind of form a little crust before I deep fry them. And then I like to get my oil up to about 375 degrees. So I'm going to drop about 6 or 7 of these in that oil at once. It's going to drop the temperature, but I don't want it to drop so low that it doesn't fry. It brings me down to about 350 at this point, and that's perfect. Let those go for about 6 or 7 minutes. We're just looking for a nice golden brown. These aren't super thick, so they don't take too long. Look at that. Super crispity crunchy. That is a perfect piece of fried chicken. So that's ready. We set them aside, and I'm going to get some chorizo going. That's the next. I thought that would be good. Chorizo and fried chicken and a waffle. Doesn't that sound good to you? Now, I like my chorizo to have a little crisp to it. I like some texture. Chorizo can be a little mushy if you don't really get a little texture on it. So I'm going to cook it through, get it all fried up, and we'll set that aside. It's time to build this thing. So I'm using just the Krusteaz waffle mix. I think that's good. I'm cooking a lot of waffles today. I didn't want to make a homemade waffle batter. So I'm put a few scoops in my bowl. Then we're going to have to add all our goodies to that. And I'm going to start with the fried chicken. We're going to just get that chopped up into little bite-sized pieces, little tiny ones, so it spreads throughout that waffle real easy. We get it chopped up. And then, of course, while we're chopping, I got to make sure that chicken's good. And yeah, the chicken is really good. So let's put this all together. The chicken goes in, follow that with my chorizo. Then I have some salsa we're going in next, and some cilantro, and a little bit of these pickled jalapenos. Now to me, guys, this sounded like the perfect mix of ingredients, kind of a southwestern type of chicken in waffles instead of chicken and waffles. I thought it was going to work out great. So we're going to spray up that waffle iron. And now, one last little trick I thought I would try, and that's make this a potato crusted waffle. So that's not cheese, those are potato shreds. I thought that would be kind of a cool little addition. Then I'm going to throw down that waffle mix, kind of spread it out on there a little bit, get it all on there. And then on top of that, guys, we're going to go with one more layer of those potato shreds. Yeah, potato crusted waffle. Sounded kind of cool to me. I don't think that's where it went wrong either. So we're going to put that down. Give it the old spin around till it's ready. And guys, I'm going to tell you what, this started oozing out a giant mess. I had to kind of wipe it up a little bit. So I got it all cleaned up, let it cook through. It took a few extra minutes, I think, because of the extra moisture in there. Open it up, and at this point, it actually doesn't look that bad. And there's no foul smells. It's like feeling pretty good right now. Throw it down on my plate. Now, I love savory and sweet, so I got myself some maple syrup. I break into this thing, and you can see it's just loaded in the center. I start taking a bite, and I'm just kind of confused. I'm like looking for something, and it's just not there. I want to feel this amazement, and man, there's nothing amazing about it. And I take a second bite, hoping this is it. I just missed on the first, right? Take that bite, taste the syrup, but the waffle itself, it's just got too much going on. It's just like not hitting for me. What does hit is the fact that I realize this is not a treat and it's not what I wanted. But it was totally fun to make and a cool experiment. So thanks for watching, and we'll try again next time. Cheers, everyone.